Ever wondered if those spare coins rattling around in your digital wallet could actually add up to something significant? What if you could turn your everyday spending into a passive investment strategy? That's the intriguing premise behind Raiz, a micro-investing app that's gained a lot of traction for making investing accessible to everyone, even if you only have a few dollars to spare. But the big question on everyone's mind is, how much can you really make on Raiz? Raiz isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about the power of consistent, small investments and the magic of compound interest. At its core, Raiz works by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing that spare change into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.70, Raiz will round it up to $4 and invest the 30 cents. These roundups accumulate, and once they hit a minimum threshold, usually $5, Raiz invests that money for you. Beyond roundups, you can also set up recurring investments, daily, weekly, or monthly, and even make lump sum deposits. This flexibility allows you to tailor your investment strategy to your financial habits and goals. Now, let's talk about the returns. The performance of your Raiz investment depends on several factors, primarily the portfolio you choose and the market conditions. Raiz offers a range of preset portfolios, from conservative to aggressive, each with a different mix of assets like Australian and international stocks, bonds, and even Bitcoin in some cases. The more aggressive portfolios aim for higher returns but also come with higher risk. Historically, Raiz portfolios have shown positive returns over the long term. For example, their portfolios have demonstrated positive 1, 3, and 5-year performances. We're talking about things like 5.68% for a conservative portfolio and up to 12.74% for an aggressive portfolio in a good financial year. However, it's crucial to remember that past performance is never a guarantee of future returns. The market goes up and down, and so will the value of your investments. One key benefit of Raiz is diversification. By investing in ETFs, your money is spread across hundreds of different companies and asset classes, which helps to mitigate risk compared to investing in individual stocks. Raiz also automatically rebalances your portfolio, ensuring it stays aligned with your chosen risk profile. This buy low, sell high approach is managed for you in the background. Of course, there are fees involved. For accounts with balances under a certain amount, e.g., $20,000, Raiz typically charges a flat monthly fee. For larger balances, it's a small annual percentage of your total balance. While these fees are generally transparent, it's important to be aware of them, especially for smaller balances, as they can represent a larger percentage of your total investment. So, how much can you make? If you consistently invest your spare change, set up recurring deposits, and stay invested for the long term, Raiz can be a powerful tool for growing your wealth. Imagine if you just rounded up $1 a day, that's $365 a year invested, not including any recurring deposits or lump sums, and then that money starts earning returns. It's not about hitting a jackpot, but about building financial momentum over time. Raiz truly democratizes investing, showing that you don't need a huge lump sum to start your investment journey. It's about consistency, patience, and letting time and compounding do their work. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.